Guess what? I'ma shock you. I'm about to do a song with Shenseea. Why? Because I love her. I love her, and I believe.
Come back. Good morning, viewers and the subscribers. We are going to talk about where the description of the video say, so subscribe and like if for your first time over here. So make we kick it off the realest way. Recently, ladies react to, you don't know, the new females in the business right now in dancehall, and I say them are over it out, Spice, Shenseea, etc. Jada Kingdom. However, right now she make a video say she have a collaboration with Shenseea.
Do this and show that and all of you coming at me. Guess what? I'ma shock you. I'm about to do a song with Shenseea. Why? Because I love her. I love her, and I believe that me doing a song with her to redirect her. Oh, now, you know, yeah, and you gonna be surprised. It's not even a gospel song. We're talking about it. Shenseea, trust me, I genuinely love you. I don't know why I love you. I just love you because you just seem so innocent, so pure, and I want you to keep it that way. So now your mind gonna be blown, right?
That said, guys, I just want to say, people them a say she mad, or she fear say this and want to that. Yes, me. So contradiction at its best. Anyways, I just a show no what gone cause Macka Diamond herself react to ladies a recent video on the need for hear this.
Marian all. Mama saw. When me look up to when me just a come in a music, I say me used to par, me used to derone you. So we all know what you are made up of, right? But what is hurting my heart so much is when people change and they want to say people are doing bad that they used to do. I understand what you're trying to say now. I understand what you're trying to say now, Mama saw. Marian all, sorry. I understand what you say, Marian all. I understand what you say now. But I don't understand. I understand, but I don't understand. Because if you want the young people and old people like me to come in a church with you, that's not the way to go about it. That's not the way to go about it. How can you influence us to go into church talking like that and behaving like that? You cannot, that no, you did not convince me. I mean, like, Jada Kingdom is weak. What did you expect from a Jada Kingdom? She's a young child. She just come in. You were young when you started the music too. You were young. And you had this big white panty, big old white drawers, pan some face with them that to ban you. They had to ban you. You went pan some face with one big old white drawers and skin out your front. And some face ban you for about 20 years. You forget? Did you forget? Remember, say we have kids. Remember, say we have kids. And we were kids. We were children too. We do wrongs when we are picnic. And when my mother tell we no look for mother. We no pay mother no mind. You understand? So even my friends them nowadays, when me see them, I tell them picnic them, but oh, we need too rude and not punish. Someone have to stop because we were rude kids too. We were kids and we rude. So if Shenseea come out to do a song and she want a man lick her from left, right and center and she want to come show her pum pum, you don't have no right to come tell her that she can't write and she can't. You have writing problem too. You have to get writer too. And you can't come and tell people what spices you live in your yard and this. That is not a Christian. That is not a Christian, my girl. You understand? Me know say me can't war on the wall, I want to kill me, not clash, I want to do me bad, and enough things me not talking, and enough things me not come out and talk because you of all person were one of them that stood into my career and give me a lot of fight. I got a lot of fight from your mama, sir. And if I wish to talk the truth, is the truth. You do not like to see when a lot of female is doing well. And the female them is doing well and you must wish them well. These young girls, they are doing well. And it's time you start to love and appreciate them no matter what you're doing or even if you're a Christian. Because the woman them go through hell. Look how much things them put me through and me still giving them strength. Right? Shenseea is not going to be the last young girl going to come in this business. People going to come after her. And Shenseea will have to accept that. You understand? Are you go up and Winfred and the ladies, sir? Are you go up and Winfred and carry Spice Funny? Remember when you don't want to bring down my career? When you wanted to bring down my career, you went on Winfred show. Remember good enough? And you grab on Spice and then you say, she are the next queen of dancehall, may I give it to she. So you want to take it now? What you want this the girl? What you bring to the table? I don't understand. What you bring? And the top of the girl, child, and the people them are going to see her body fall apart. What are you doing? And our and the friend them are going to laugh at the people them at school. What are you doing? Come on. That's not a Christian. When I listen to your argument, woman, sir, it's like you tell the people that this the girl. It's like you tell Spice spit the kids them at school for laugh after the kids them. I saw it a sound like you give them things to do. That is not a Christian. When I look at my paper book, if the man left under my pussy falls, what was that? Me don't understand. Be a leader, not a follower, my girl. When you go over church and can't be the queen of a church, that's why you want to come back in the dance hall. People, listen to me. Listen to me, people. Listen to me. Me not beg no friend and no don't tell me say me all and run me out of dance hall a long time. Me still turn up in there by myself. Me alone and God. Me go through hell. We ladies are when ladies are. Lady G go through hell too. Ladies are find herself go on Rasta show. And when Lady G locks up her head and I try to run from ladies and go up on the Rasta show down at Wochi St. Mary. So find herself down there go up on stage at this Lady G. Make people write up on things about Lady G in the paper. Right? You're not perfect too, Marian All. Stop it. Come and encourage people. It better they come out and say you're praying for them. Oh, Jesus, help me, Lord. I am praying for Shenseea. I am praying for Jada Kingdom. I'm praying for Spice. I'm praying for all of these new generation. Better they come out and say that. Don't come out and come degrade the girl them like that. Don't do that. Oh, we're going to feel like we want to come in a church like that. Means we're going to feel like say church full of pure hypocrisy. And church not good. Oh, we're going to feel good for coming to church. Oh, you over here, sir, watch. I saw you miss over here, sir. Oh, you see everything. People, when me I put out the cucumber song, remember when me I put out the cucumber song, I'm going to tell you something, people, because I never talk. Because one thing me like when God make me wait for the word. Because she said she a Christian, everybody pray too. Spice in our house a pray. Shenseea we a pray. Oh, you don't know if I pray, Shenseea pray for this, for big now, and our career make it. You can't make it look like people don't know God, man. Come on, man. You're over to the Christian thing now. And you always sound like you're still a DJ, or you're still a badness, or you're still bully the people them. So I remember say when you are around the place, you never want nobody else. You never want nobody else. People that talk, so you got over man and hold on everybody. So enough things what the people them do now, you were doing it. So instead of repenting and finding yourself properly first, you're coming to degrade people. Don't do that. Let me tell you something now, people. If somebody have the cucumber song and I'm going to release the cucumber song, I'm dressed up like the old lady and all these things, and you see the internet there going and me crap the internet. You don't know, say, little sir, send me about 1,000 voice note. Oh, me don't look good, and the people them say me old, and if I come out of the music, and me don't look good, and me can't even me dash with the voice note. I'm not like if Lady Ann wish to tell the truth, Lady Ann was the only person me tell. And Lady Ann beg me to send her the voice note. I'm say Lady Ann, me not look no hype of a lady sign, and me not send them voice note there. The woman say me don't look good, and me don't sound good, and the cucumber song now go nowhere, and this and that, and me to stop it, and the music done with me. And she all tell me say the music done with me, you know, and see me here right now. See me here right now. And nearly 20 promoter call me since week for shows. Me still have the music still a pay my bills. You understand? You don't come and try to belittle people. You're a Christian now. What your eyes are doing over here? You should have make a well one go over the church with you. Lady, you should be over the church going on so good that we wish with the tongue Christian too. You understand? Instead of over here, trouble the young people them. Right? Me and you are big old woman now. And me still I try to do my thing because nobody not pay my bills. You understand? Me never say no way. in a Jamaica and in the world, when them say old people, when they reach over a certain age, light bill free, rent free, or mortgage free. So me still have to find a way of keep up my career. And that's what I did. And everybody asked me, but do one little song with them, I say big woman versus young girl. Me never in there diss up the girl, I'm not going to diss up young girl. No, I do it for fun. Because me I say, when the girl them reach my age, them can sing the song, you have to be creative. And that's what I do. I use my creative genes, and I hold up my thing, and I go and maintain my career. Me, if you want to come back in the music, if you want to come back to the dance lady side, we accept it, you know? We accept it, we can make a ram out the stadium like Buju. Come on, man. Remember some Ninja Man do it, you know? Ninja Man do it how much time? So if you want to come back, no mama. Nothing wrong with it. We idolize you know. You understand? We idolize you know. Yeah, me not busy one say about no, the spice and the whole and years, but no say the whole of them hold on my career, them do all of what them want to do. Me not care, but me still there. Maybe God never want me to reach certain place or in a certain things. So God know why Him allow them to do that. But them still couldn't kill me. You understand? But when me I say, ladies, if you want to come back, come now. We accept you. The people them love you, you know. You're one of the most strong female. When you walk out on stage, you come like a man artist and you rock the place. The people them miss you for true. The people them would love if you come over here. But are you go up and Winfred? Are you go up and Winfred and Wull and Spice and you know? And say you are the next dancehall queen. So why you come take it away? Why you come degrade the girl now for? Me don't want a friend from Spice and a friend. Me look about split justice. Me don't like them things there. Let me tell you something you never know about me. Me have a love in my heart for the female artists them because I know them got through. I just them not a love for me. Enough of them not a love for me and them no business about me. But me still not care. Me not make them mash up my heart. You understand? Me see me keep my birthday party one night in New York, I go on good, and the new girl, one new artist girl, couple of them was there. And I make them give them the mic, I make them DJ.